Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to check bookmarks on X. It's very easy to do. First of all, of course, open X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, which will open this side menu. So as you can see, it is divided into different sections. You want to go to section with your bookmarks. So this is the page where you can see every single post that you have ever saved to your bookmarks section on X. And also those posts are, this page is chronologically organized, and that means that the most recently saved posts will appear at the top. So that's basically how you can check your bookmarks on X. And I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.